welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if the lighting is a little off, but for some reason today my ring light decided to blow, so the bulb or whatever is blown, so I'm trying to supplement a little lighting. So today I'm gonna be doing a semi-protective style. It's gonna be a flat twist style. I'm doing flat twist because I want to. Why does it look like I have no edges? But I have edges, I'm sorry. But I blew my hair out because I needed to trim my ends. I hope you guys watched my last video of my wash and go, because that's the style that I had before this one. It still smells like deep conditioner. That's awesome. So it's been about 2 days since I blow dried my hair. I've been wearing it in the ponytail because I've just been tired from work. To actually deal with it, so I decided to kind of record a video. The products I'm going to be using as a moisturizer, because all I put is serum on my hair, will be the Shea Moisture Treatment Mask. That's what I'm going to be using to hydrate my hair. And then to seal that in, I'm going to be using the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Style Cream. So I did make a video on that, but it did not come out as great as I expected it to. So I'm probably gonna try that again and then give my final thoughts on it. If I gave my final thoughts on it, or if I redid that video, just ignore all this. So I'm gonna separate my hair right now. So I'm gonna separate. I already did a side part, but I'm going to separate the front from the back, because I want the styles to be a little bit different. So I'm just going to tie this out the way with just a quick little ponytail holder while just keeping my parts. So, and then it's hard to see. Oh, that part is missed. Oh, that's the crooked part, but it's okay. So, let's comb these out the way. I want my hair to stay as stretched as possible. Oh, hold on. I'm lost. There you go. All right. Just having a day today, you guys. Just a day. Okay, so now shoot. Oh my goodness. Nothing wants to cooperate today with me for some reason. I'm so sorry about that. Hopefully I can edit it out. Okay. So what I want to do is, in the back, I'm going to do 2 rows of flat twists. That way when I take them out, it's not super defined, but it's more like a wavy kind of look that I'm going for. Trying to make sure. So I'm turning around so you see me parting. So I'm just gonna go straight across. And then I'm just going to put this out the way. So I'm just gonna twist it. And then I'll just tuck it in this ponytail out the way. Okay. So my ends are starting to feel, I'm dropping everything. Oh my goodness. My ends are starting to feel a little dry. So once I just do a medium size flat twist, and then I'm just gonna tuck this away. Okay, so I'm just gonna comb this out. That's all. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my leave-in. Take about that much. I'm gonna mostly focus on my ends and then just rake my hands towards the roots just so it's evenly distributed, but it's not enough to revert all the way. So that's how it's looking. And now the melanin hair care. So I'm not going to use that much because it's just going to be kind of greasy to me, even though it's not supposed to be that much. And just we'll add a little bit more, just a tiny bit more. Have a little bit of hold. And then I'm going to comb that through. So I'm not the best flat twister, so I'm not going to be teaching you how to flat twist, but I'm just going to let you see how I flat twist. So just take off a tiny piece, split that, and start off like a 2-strand twist. And then just add hair and just keep twisting. I try to get as close to the roots as possible so it's a real snug fit. Alright, so once I'm finished, you're just going to continue 2-strand twist. Okay, and I'm just going to add a little bit more conditioner and a little bit more twisting cream to the ends. And then I'm just going to curl it around my finger. And there you go. Like I said, I'm not the best flat twister. As you can see, it's sticking out like that, but it's fine. It's fine. Alright. And then that's how it's looking. So I'm just going to start on the rest of the sections and come back. I think it came out rather nice. So this is how the front looks. I got like 4 twists on this side and about 4 or 5 twists on this side. I did gel down my edges. I'm just gonna spray with a little water because it dried while I was finishing up. And then this is the back. So I'm going to go to sleep. It is, what time is it? It is almost 11:30. I have to be at work in the morning. So I'm going to have this in for a couple of days. I'm just going to wear it in a low bun. Just to kind of keep it out the way. Either a little bun or a little ponytail. So yeah. I will see you guys when it's time to check this out.